Next we see about the off adder and full adder. Off adder. A off adder is a combination circuit needs two binary input and two binary output. The input variable designates the again and added bits. The output variable produces the sum and carry. The off adder can be implemented with an exclusive OR and AND gate. Input variable is A and B and the output variable is sum and carry. This is a block diagram for off adder. In truth table, AND gate is used the carry, XOR gate is used the sum. It can be implemented in K map, sum and carry. That expression is A bar B and A B bar. A B. This is the expression for sum and carry. And the off adder circuit design is XOR gate and the AND gate is connected. What are the components are required in off adder? AND gate, XOR gate. AND gate IC number is 7408, XOR gate IC number is 7486. IC trainer kit batch. It can be demoed. A and B two inputs, XOR gate, AND gate, sum carry. A is connected to XOR gate and B is connected to AND gate. And two input or exchange to connected, finally connected to the bulb. Zero zero, sum is 0, carry also 0. 0 1, sum is 1, carry 0. 1 0, sum 1, carry 0. 1 1, carry 1, sum 0. Next is full adder. Full adder is a combinational circuit that forms the arithmetic sum of input. It consists of 3 input and 2 output. A full adder is useful to add 3 bits at a time. In full adder, sum output will be taken from XOR gate, carry output will be taken from OR gate. Input variables are A, B, C and the output variables are sum, carry. This is a block diagram for full adder, 3 inputs, 2 output. Truth table 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0. It can be used in XOR gate and OR gate. That can be implemented in K map in sum and carry. What are the expression? The expression is A bar B bar C, A bar B C bar, A B bar C bar, A B C. This is the expression and commonly taken C, C dash, finally come the expression. It will be executed in carry also. That expression is A bar B C A bar A B bar C A B C A B C bar. Finally come AB plus BC plus AC. Full adder circuit design is this. What are the components are used in the full adder? AND gate, XOR gate, OR gate, IC trainer kit, patch board. It can be 2 off adder will be combined and extra we will add OR gate. 3 input AC, A, B, C. A is connected to XOR gate and B also connected. It will be connected to this. XOR gate is connected to another XOR gate. It will be connected to this place and it can be connected. A is connected to AND gate, B is connected to AND gate, A is connected to bulb, B and C is connected to OR gate, finally connected to bulb. 0 0 0, sum is 0, carry 0. 0 0 1. Sum is 1, carry 0. 0 1 0. Sum 0, sum 1, carry 0. 1 0 0. Sum 1, carry 0. 1 1 0. Carry 1, sum 0. 0 1 1. Sum 0, carry 1. 1 0 1. Sum 0, carry 1. 3 or 1. Sum 1, carry also 1. These are the full adder gate. Thank you.